This video is about OnePlus 8 phone. If you can see, this is OnePlus logo. This is OnePlus 8 series. This is the QR code and all the detail mentioned on the back, which is this. The color is glacial green, RAM 8 GB, ROM 128 GB. All the detail, BIS hallmark, which is for India only. Manufacturing date 2020, assembled in India. This is the radiation for the body, like how much radiation will is like according to how much weight of the body. Serial number, Qualcomm Snapdragon Dolby Atmos, licensed by Qualcomm. The price is 44,000, but actual price I would just show you in the bill. It is somewhere around yeah, it says bill is 44,999. 44,999 is the price, no discount actually. So it has one mobile phone, one USB cable, one warp 30-watt charger, TPU protective case, so they're giving up a case also, one quick start guide, one safety instruction, one SIM tray ejector. So this is like the manufacturer detail, consumer care. So this is OnePlus 8. Let's open it. Okay, so I've already opened it, but I'm just like making a unboxing video for this, like never settle. So this is the phone. The color say glacial green, kind of look like a blue green mix. Look good. So USB type C. SIM is always coming on the downside. The SIM slot is on the downside. This is the sound firing speaker from only one side, but made in a two-part compartment. The screen is curved from both sides. Only from sides the screen are curved. This is the volume. This is the volume adjuster. I think these are the plastic thing which you can see in this or the other place where they have antennas inside. So if you can see antenna over here, and this is I think 5G model. So antenna location are there, multiple places. OnePlus again, mobile phone, EMI number. Okay, so what else in the box? If you get, it's like, if you see this box, this is like all documentation. Nobody reads too much documentation. So this is a SIM ejector tool. Nowadays they just like make fancy tool. Again, what this says, invitation letter. Letter for what? Let's see. They have an opening over here. Oh, hidden thing. I didn't know that. See, this is OnePlus smartphone made hand in hand with the community, this and that, 6 years ago. So they're just like telling history about the company. Just keep it aside. It has SIM ejector tool. Always use the tool which is with the phone, you're available with the phone. Don't use any other tool. It will work, but you don't want to ruin something in your phone. So this is the TPU cover, like a rubber case, TPU case they're just giving. Okay, they're just like wrapping the cable good with the two plastic clip. And if you just like open the compartment, let's see, this is the 30-watt charger, warp charger, 30-watt. So it will charge your phone very fast. So these are the detail, power units, supply output, 30-watt, certified. Anything else below? Nothing. Let's start the phone. The process of starting is very easy, like just like press this button, power button. They have the Apple kind of mechanism in this, like the ringer. See, this is mechanism you can see in Apple also, just a physical key. Okay, so this is the OnePlus. So saying tap tap tap, finish the setup. If you have Wi-Fi, it's very good, it will always finish the setup. This phone is a little bit different from normal other Android phone because you have to just get used to it before you use it. So it has like a real Google OS, kind of like a, you can say like a very basic version of Google OS, the latest one. You can go to the setting. If you can just see, battery is 91%. And about phone, so you can see which is inside the phone. Snapdragon 865, 48 into 16 into 2 megapixel triple camera, 90 Hz fluid AMOLED. So 90 Hz is way more than many of the phone, because most of the phone only have 60-70 Hz. This is 90 Hz. I'm like waiting for 120 Hz. The more the Hz, more the refresh rate, more the clear screen picture and videos. Android version 10. So all the detail, status. So going back is easy, just place like this, but going on the background screen is like this. You have to be like little bit practice to just like come take like bring the background screen. I'm not used to this phone. So camera is pretty good. You can like zoom in, you can see the detail in the fabric below. It's very good. Let's take a picture. Okay, let's see how is the picture. This allow, so enable later. Picture is good, not bad. Actually, you just like seeing a video of the phone picture through another camera, so I don't think so it would be so good. So this phone is very good. Basic version, it doesn't have too much bloatware like any other Android phone. It is like a very basic version with no extra software, useless software. You can just like have like a settings, Play Store, Gmail on the top, and this is the drop down. You can see Wi-Fi connected, mobile data, flashlight, rotate, battery saver, airplane night mode, location, switch off, switch data card, NFC, reading mode, hotspot, like activate reading mode. The color of the screen will change for like a blue light filter, hotspot, Zen mode, screen recorder. Now there's mostly Android which is like 9 and 10 have like a screen recorder. And what else you want to know about this phone? This phone is good, kind of like new, and they always say that OnePlus phone are like very tough build. Let's see what they have in the documentation, because I never read it. Quick start guide, blah 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 blah. So they have a touch over here on the screen. They have a touch inbuilt inside the screen. Okay, and as you can see, front camera, volume, dual nano SIM slot, in display fingerprint, power sleep, wake up, and alert slider, AirPlay speaker. So when you want to switch it off, the one button will not work. Like you have to press this volume, this power mode, power button, and the volume up key with the same time, then only it will give you the option of the switch off. So see what is the detail about the phone, like how much, like gonna sell it for how much. Everything which is using this phone will be selling at this price. Plastic recycling, keep it over there. Again, something else, highest SAR value. About detail about the radiation. Oh, that is a Red Cable Club. I don't know what is this. I'm just like seeing it for the first time. Explore, learn more about. So I have to just like visit Red Cable Club. So this is kind of like a ATM card, kind of a club card. I don't know what is this. So I have to visit the Red Cable Club, but I don't know how to use it because it doesn't have anything. Maybe it is a RFID card. I don't know. Maybe it is a RFID card. the only thing, you know, if it is RFID or not, just like break it open. My friends call me for tech support. So smooth, never settle, never settle. They always say that a OnePlus phone are made in very good way because their phone never hangs. Oh, this is the sticker. Okay, so this is a sticker and this is the phone. See, if you just see the camera is like inside the screen. Nowadays mostly camera are inside the screen. This is wonderful, but you don't want to get a scratch on the screen, because if you get the scratch on the screen, your camera will automatically gonna give you a very bad picture. Okay, so if I just told you, see, this is the microphone, small hole. This is, if you just see this plastic thing, this is the antenna place, multiple antenna place, so that wherever you hold this phone, so this is a physical slider button, silent, vibrate and sound, power button, body is metallic, looking good. You can like play anything in this. I think you're not going to have any problem. In fact, you will enjoy more. Security, face unlock, emergency rescue, lot of thing inside this. Display, Wi-Fi, login with OnePlus account. In normal Android, they just like with only log into Google, everything will work, but they have separate account. Display, customization, sound, vibration, everything is like that. All cloud 21 used, 101 GB free. Google, everything is like over there, same thing. Utilities, it's a good phone. So if you want to just switch it off, just press the power and the volume up button, then only you will get like emergency screenshot. You want to take like this option, power off. So this is the video about OnePlus 8. The only difference with the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro is the camera and little bit space. Otherwise everything is like same. The color is like very good. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel, and I will keep bringing more video for you all.